Welcome back. We are ready to do our tutorial. It's June 11th. Here is the swatch. This is going to be a V-stitch and what I would call a fan or three double crochets. We will be using Ice Yarn's Favorite in beige. It is a 4 weight there's the yarn. So our foundation chain is a 6 plus 2 plus 2. So basically gonna chain 22 all together. So just remember, if you're doing it longer, it's gonna be 6 plus 2 plus 2. So gonna do 22. Make sure you leave a long enough tail to weave in. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, and I am using a 6mm hook or a size J. Put my stitch marker there. Okay, in the 5th chain from the hook, I'm going to put a V-stitch, which is a double crochet, chain 1, double crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So yarn over. So in the 5th chain, insert your hook, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. That's 1/2 of the V, and then you chain 1, yarn over, and in the same space you insert your hook again, pull up another loop, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, and you have a V stitch made. Then you skip 2, and in the next stitch you're going to do 3 double crochets. So yarn over, insert your hook, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. And you do that 2 more times. Yarn over, insert your hook into the same space, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. 1 more, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, pull through 2. So you have your V, 2 spaces, pull through 2. Let me get some more light over here. How is that? Is that better? There we go. Okay, so then you 2 spaces, then you make another V-stitch. So insert your hook, pull up a loop, yarn over. See if I can make that any clearer for you. Pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. Chain 1. See if I can get that any. Oops, sorry. I'm going to try and get that a little clearer. There we go. Okay, so we have our chain 1, and then we yarn over again. Insert our hook in the same spot, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, and pull through 2. Skip 2 spaces, and then 3 more double crochet. Yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. Pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. That's 2, 1 more, yarn over, insert your hook in the same spot, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. Skip 2 spaces. Now remember, it's going to look like it's going to get a little tight, so make sure that squish spot is 1. There's 2. Yarn over, insert your hook, pull up a loop. This is a V spot. Yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, chain 1, yarn over, insert into the same hook, same spot, sorry. Pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. Okay, your V is finished. Skip 2 spaces, 1, 2, 3 double crochets, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2, 1, 2. We need 2 more in that spot, yarn over, insert your hook, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2, pull through 2. We need 1 more, yarn over, insert your hook, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull up a loop. You have all 3. Skip 2, 1, 2. We're going to put a single double crochet in that spot. Yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull up a loop. Find my, okay, chain 3, 1, 2, and 3. Let me put my stitch marker there. If I can get my fingers to work. There we go. Let's turn our work. Okay, now we're going to skip this and we're going to start in the center of this. The 3 double crochet, or yeah, the 3 double crochets here, and we're going to place 3 double crochets. So yarn over and pull through 2, yarn over and pull through 2, there's 2, and 3, and then we're going to place, and I didn't put it in the right spot, hold on. Try that one more time. In the center of the 3 double crochets. There we go. No, that's right. And then you skip 2, and in the chain 1 space of the V, you put another V-stitch. So a double crochet, chain 1, double crochet. There we go. And then in the center of the 3 double crochets, you put 3 double crochets. 1, 2 and 3. And then in the center of your V-stitch here, you put another V-stitch. Make sure you have your 2 on top, so there's your double crochet, pull through 2, do a chain 1, and then your double crochet. Pull up a loop, pull through 2, pull through 2, and then you have your 3, let me pull some yarn here, you have your 3 double crochets, and in the center one you put 3 double crochets. Pull up a loop, pull through 2, there's your second double crochet, insert your hook into the same spot, pull up a loop, there's the third one, and then you have another V-stitch, yarn over, in that chain 1 space, you insert your hook, pull up a loop, pull through 2, pull through 2, chain 1, insert your hook into the same excuse me, chain 1 space, pull up a loop, pull through 2, pull through 2, and in that chain 1 space for, or chain 1, in 1, 2, and your third space there, you yarn, you put a double crochet. 2 and my yarn just let loose on the other side. 1, 2, and 3. There you go. Now you chain 3. 1, 2, 3. I'm going to move my stitch marker up. 1, 2, 3. Turn your work. And now, because you have a V here, you skip the first space, and in the chain 1 space of your V, you're going to put a V-stitch. So make sure you have your both loops of your chain 1 space. You pull up a loop, pull through 2, pull through 2, chain 1, yarn over, in the same space put another double crochet, pull up a loop, pull through 2, pull through 2, and then in the center double crochet you put 3 double crochets. Insert your hook, pull up a loop, pull through 2, pull through 2, yarn over, in the same space that you just put that double crochet, put another one, pull up a loop, pull up a loop, there we go, and then now you put the third one. Okay, now you're in a V-stitch, so in that chain 1 space put a double crochet, pull up a loop, pull up a loop, chain 1, and then put another double crochet. In that center double crochet, 3 double crochets. Pull through 2, pull through 2, put 2 more double crochets in there. Okay. Now you're at another V-stitch in that chain 1 space. Put a double crochet, a chain 1, and a double crochet. So basically we're putting a V-stitch on top of a V-stitch. We're at our 3 double crochets in the center double crochet. Put 3 double crochets. We just repeat this pattern for as long as you want. And we're at the end of our row. 1, 2, and 3, put a double crochet. Basically, that is the repeat pattern for as long as you want. That's what we have. There you go. We're building on our chain 1 and double crochets. What do you think? Leave your comments below.